here's the part 2, and this is what I made. So the kitchen. Open it. Open. Why can't you open? Why can't you open though? Oh, there, much better. Why are there so many paintings? Why did you not messy? I don't like messy here. I want queen. Ang kuka. Kuka, kuka, kuka. Kuka, kuka. Kuka, kuka. First, this one, I don't know what this is. Put it there. It's just kidding. Put it here. I don't know where to put this. It's flying here. Perfect. Nope. Yes. I do not want to get money, but it's because of this table very big. I'm just gonna put it.
Ito naman yung braso ko dati na gaganong ko pa to yung braso. Oh, parang iba na. Bakit gano'n? Yung sa'yo nga?
No.
Why?
Don't know naman kasi how to play Roblox. I don't want to watch. Edi wow. stairs instead of downstairs. I'm gonna go there, just say sky blue. Vamos a comer
Ayun na! Schedule!
I know.
Chat na.
There's a space
Pasok mo daw
here.
bukas.
Mommy, look at mine. It's food. So, get the thing here. Perfect. I'm gonna need to order food instead of stealing food. Order. Go buy some ice cream first. Is that wine?
Hindi pa daw ako mag-i-start.
Order some. Aw, you have to wait for it. Avenue there? You don't need a dirty banana. It's Willie Avenue? Yes. What? For the ice cream. It's Wanda.
Bago sa nakuha mo pinag-solution mo sa... Hindi nyo mga ano ka, di ba? Mga SS pag-ibig ka na. Ka-apply ako. Ano? Kukunin kayo medical ko dun.
Wala akong NBI na
Eh, kaba akong MBA ko rin yun. Oh, pinauni mo ngayon.
Okay. I think this is the bowl where you can scoop the fruit. That's not fruit. This is fruit. Fruit. Get in. Fruit. Get in. Fruit. Fruit.
Kukunin ko yung requirements ng bukas. Na? May requirements ako sa kanila.
I don't know what is going on.
Oh,
I'm just
ano? Kanahin nyo. Ayun nga eh. Eh, mag-aantay pa ulit doon.
I don't know whether I buy character is not a food. So let's put it in the trash.
Doon kaya nga si JM. Si JM.
I think the last one is orange over there. Wait, I forgot the strawberry was here. There. Where is Terrence? I don't know where should I put these things. What is this? We'll put the sugar in. Wait. It's nothing here, so I can put. Oh wait. I just put the fruits in the wrong place. They're supposed to be there. Sorry. Guys, can we literally not get it all? Oh. Can I only get it? Okay, I'm getting mad with this now. I'm gonna delete you. So let's go buy some more fruits. Apple, banana, blueberries, lemon check, pineapple, strawberry. Too much strawberries I want.
Nainis ako bigla.
There, just that.
14, saka sila magkasal-kasal na doon pa. Hindi na ako nalito.
First week pa lang sinabi na nila.
Punta tayo doon. Magdala ka na ng resume. Pasok ka agad doon sa kapila.
Okay. Wait, they don't have something to cook. So let's put a cereal there. Let's try another soup. Perfect. I think we should put something. I don't know what's going on. I'm like glitching right now. What's going on? I think I'm glitching somehow.
Hindi mo na medical sila.
Oo. Health card lang ang problema.
Just gonna need kitchen steps. Let's get this. Top. There you suck. Need a bag. Where's the bag? spatula. Let's put some towels too. Need these things too. This will make coffee. I think this is enough. Yeah, wait, you can put something there? What? I didn't notice. Get some place here. Should be enough. Why not? Why can't you go there? I paid you $4,000. No, just kidding. This kid sucks. Wait, I forgot to spat. I forgot to find. Nah, who cares? We don't need dogs here. See, we don't have hot dogs. We need food. In the oven.
Ay, nako! Gago.
I have a lot of space here. I think I need to steal some from this house. Do you know? I'm going to steal. Look, it's stealing. Go here. Take one. Here it is. What I looking for? Wait. You know what going in is the way. You know what going in. Oh, yay! Oh, oh. Just kidding, guys. And this forest all down. I just want water. I don't. I don't know if they can get water. Hey, look how pretty that I just made here. I'm gonna make a house at the top, like what I just said. sure where should I put this.
Sabihin mo kay Otto.
It's like floating. Let's go get some more stuff. So this purple house will be full. Let's go to here first and then get some stuff. I just have energy to stretch. Ooh, awesome. Yes. Oh God, what is it again? No, this is for the bedroom. Stop making noises. Much better. This for the bedroom. Let's go back to our home.
Wait, wait.
Sir, may barya po kayo dyan. Pangkain lang po.
Ako wala akong barya ngayon. Gusto mo? Babariyahan ko lang ng 500. Hindi mo kami nagmerienda ron. Ano naman eh? Hindi ka na nadala. Kanina, tinakas yung 500 mo. Tapos ngayon, magbigay ka na naman ng 500 sa pulubi. Hindi malamang na hindi nababalik yan. Bakit mo ginagawa yun? Sasabihin ko sa'yo mamaya kung ba. Basta maghintay lang tayo.
No signal.
Oh, kanina pa tayo nandito. Hindi pa bumabalik yung mga binigyan mo ng pera. Sayang lang yung pera.
Don't have signal eh.
Sir, baka po pwede makaingin ng barya. Pangkain lang po.
You play muna, you play.
You play Avatar
You
World.
play Avatar World muna. Oh, you wait the signal.
Balik mo ng sukuli, ibigyan ka ng 50.
Sige po, sandali lang po ah.
Sasayang ka lang talaga ng pera. Sigurado namang di babalik yun. Ano ba gusto mo mangyari?
Don't
Maghintay lang tayo.
gosh.
Sir, ito na po yung merienda nyo. Tsaka ito na rin po yung sukli nyo.
So guys, I'm gonna make a part 3 this time.
Tuloy 50.
Kasi this is a lot of
Salamat po.
Ah, pala.
things.
Naghanap ako ng kasambahay. Okay
So
lang ba
guys,
na
I'm
magtrabaho
gonna
ka
see
sa
you
akin?
in part 3.
Tamang-tama po.
See you.